In this question, the principle provides to us the definition of contingent contract, right? That is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. It's called a contingent contract, right? Now, what are the facts? The facts are X is a landlord and he wanted to settle abroad with his son, who was a software engineer in USA, after selling his land in India, which was a subject matter of litigation since the year 1980. Now, X contracted to sell his land to Y, a politician, subject to the decision of the court. In this question, the correct answer is A. That is, the contract between X and Y shall be a contingent contract. Now, the reason why A is the correct answer is because the principle clearly says that the contract to do or not to do something is some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen is known as a contingent contract, right? So the outcome of this pending case in the court of law is considered to be an uncertain event, right? Hence, if a contract of sale is made conditional upon this litigation, it shall be a contingent contract, as nobody can tell absolutely as to what the decision of the court will be, right? As to whether the property, that is the piece of land, will be given back to X or to the other party, right? So therefore the correct answer is A. That is, the contract between X and Y shall be a contingent contract, because all the essentials which are mentioned in the principle have been completely fulfilled, right?